My name is Declan. Along with Ruana, Ghislaine and Ruth, we have created a project called ManageNCI. It is a web application designed for students and lecturers as a project management tool. We as a team decided on this idea due to there being a lack of this type of tool for us as students in regards to managing our time and resources, as well as having an appropriate place where we could help each other with bug fixing, etc. The goals of this project were to provide a hub to manage many different projects, provide the means for students and lecturers to advise or help each other, and to create an easy to use dashboard for users. The novelty involved in this idea is, although there are project management tools, there are none specifically targeted at students or lecturers. Since we decided to code this project in Ruby, we chose Redmine as our project management framework. This gave us the tools to add the functionality to many things such as creating and tracking issues, account management, and time tracking, etc. This here is our web application. If you navigate over to the administration, I can show you the permissions. From this page you can see the different roles that each user can be assigned to. If you click into one of these roles, you can see the permissions associated with this role. We can freely change or keep them as they are, and then save them. This allows us to customize what each type of user can and can't see. This is the group tab of our web application. From here you can either decide to create a new group, or we can edit an existing group by adding new people or removing people. From here we can rename the group if we wish. From here we can add new people to the group. From here I will show you issue creation and issue tracking. Here you can see the already created issues. We're going to create a new issue. From here we can decide what type of support we need. We can set the priority on this issue and set the start date and end date. We can even upload a file if we wish. From here we can update our issue. From here we can see our newly created issue. Next I will show you the search functionality of our web application. Let's search for a module, in this case Enhanced Database. Here you can see the results. Next I'll show you the live chat functionality of our web application. You just click this in the bottom right corner. Here you can see messages from users. Let's type a message. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use an anonymous account. And there we can see our message.
Hi, my name is Wana and I'm going to guide you through the extra functionality and talk about challenges that the team faced. Beside the live chat module functionality that my colleague mentioned about earlier, adding extra functionality to a project so complex as Redmine is by itself a programming challenge. As you can see on the screen, Redmine supports the concept of hooks, an API to allow external code to extend the core Redmine functionality in a clean way. What we learned by trying to add code is that the number of view hooks in Redmine is relatively small. We could not alter the content of an original view, we could only insert the content in specific places on a page. Some pages have no hooks at all. Considering the facts, the team focused on two main ones: project budget and activity reports. As you can see outlined are the classes that were modified in order to add this extra functionality to the project. Creating a new view, a new model, and adding the library file were part of the process. The snapshot is showing how the new class, budget project hook, is defining the new module, connecting it with project ID and adding new attributes such as profit, materials, and overhead. Due to the complexity of the application and the fact that we were facing with a complete new technology, Ruby on Rails, and the restrictions that Redmine is imposing, at this stage of the project, the budget functionality is not fully incorporated.